TruNerve Block. TruNerve Block is part of the TruUltra range. TruNerve Block allows effective development of the skills required to use ultrasound for guiding regional anesthesia and vascular access procedures. The model provides hands-on training in ultrasound-guided nerve blocks with ability to verify needle tip location, ultrasound IV insertion with embedded vessels and realistic blood flashback, ultrasound bone imaging featuring fractured bone structure techniques. TruNerve Block contains epidermal layer, 2 simulated vessels, 4 mm, a nerve bundle with surrounding artery and vein, a fractured bone and fascia layers. The model can facilitate 1,000+ needle insertions. This model comes with a 1-year warranty as standard. For more information or to speak with a product specialist, email info@TruCorp.com or call 4428 388 2714.